What's going on, guys? Today we have an install to do on the 350Z, the Bell Raceworks Diff Brace. What's going on, guys? It's nice to see you all. I hope you all are having a great day. Today we are going to be installing the Bell Raceworks Differential brace for the 350Z, G35. I think they make these for the 370 and G37, but I have a 350Z. Because I already have solid differential and subframe bushings, we're gonna do a before and after to see if this brace does anything. For you guys that don't have solid diff bushings, I know this does a great job to keep the diff from bouncing around in the stock bushing. So I'm very interested to see if this brace provides any additional support on the diff. I have my GoPro right here, and I have a sticky mount underneath the rear of the car. So we'll go ahead, put this on the car, and we'll see if we have any current deflection. So I've lost a GoPro doing this exact same thing before, at least on my F4S with a little exhaust clip. But that was because I had a suction cup that really wasn't suctioning. I have a 3M little sticky pad up underneath here, so hopefully we won't lose it. Kind of hard to see. Lord Jesus, it's hot in here. So the thought process is that we'll go around town, maybe do a little bit of street drifting. Not really, but we just want to see how much bouncing we can get the differential to do with my current bracing, being the solid diff mounts from PBM, I believe. I got scared that it was a cop. We're good. Oh, he's on your tail, man. Go, 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 go. Smoky, and I think a cop passed by too, so let's get out of here. All right, Mike, you don't know how to drive stick all that well. I'm gonna make you back it into the driveway, and every time you stall, that's one hit I get on you.
Sounds fair enough.
I'm joking. I'd never hit you.
Yeah, that was weak.
Just don't stall, especially on camera in front of everyone. Oh my gosh, really? You're going in a straight line.
I did that one for the video.
Oh, totally. Yeah. Totally. Okay, so that's 2 hits. More throttle, more throttle. Oh, 3 hits.
I got scared, man.
So 3 hits. When can I redeem them? Right now?
Yeah, right now. All right.
Nah, you think I would do that to my good old friend?
What?
You think I'd do that to you? No.
Stop it, man.
So as far as tools are concerned, you're gonna need a 17 mil deep, a 19 mil deep, and then of course their respective socket wrenches or just wrenches. And where's my 19? Where is it? Not in here, must be in my toolbox. There we go, perfect. I did drive the car up on ramps, so we have a little bit more access to the underside of the car. I didn't make Michael do that because he probably would have launched the car off of him. Right, Mike?
No comment.
But as far as the install goes, let's go ahead and get underneath. And I really did a crappy job giving myself plenty of space to get underneath here. First things first, you gotta take off these 2 bolts that hold the differential cover on. Those, or what? 14's great. I didn't bring a 14 with me. Oh, this kid. 2.
Yo, who did that?
Michael.
Yo.
That was a nasty one.
Me? That was you.
No.
Yo,
God.
smelt it, dealt it.
All right, with those 2 differential bolts out, Bell Raceworks will provide a long nut. Oh crap, no. And a sleeve that goes through the top of that part on the subframe. Go ahead and put it up there. Take the sleeve with the nut, 1 washer on the side. Oh no. Wait, it has to go through first. Yeah, 1 second here. Technical difficulties. We'll take a washer, the long bolt, push the bolt through, put the sleeve on this side, fits right through there. And you go on the opposite side, put the nut on. There we go, there's that. And then there are 2 more bolts that you use as replacement on the diff cover. Then just tighten everything down. All right, so the Bell Raceworks diff brace is installed. You'll see I already have my PBM diff brace on the subframe and then the 2 into the frame up front. It will be interesting to see if this provides any additional bracing. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what happens. Now that I think about it, the existing solid bushings that I have pretty much lock it on what, the vertical and horizontal axis. So I don't think it's gonna do anything. We haven't reviewed the footage, but we'll see. Get in, we gotta get out of here! Don't mind me. Don't look at the smoke, guys. Nothing here.
Look
Nothing
at
to
all
look.
that smoke billowing.
I mean, I don't want to say the rear end is more planted because it was already super planted before. This car's just a blast to drive. That's really all that matters. So a couple of weeks have passed. I was able to sift through the footage to see for myself if the diff brace did anything. And no, nothing really, not much at all, since I already have the solid diff and subframe bushings. The diff brace is still super critical because the way that the diff is mounted, there's only 1 stud on the back that holds it into the subframe. And under high amounts of stress, that stud likes to break, so adding the diff brace just gives it one extra point of contact to keep it locked in position. If you guys are interested at all in purchasing a diff brace for your 350Z, 370Z, G35, or G37, I'll put a link down in the description to the Bell Raceworks website. The owner is a great friend of mine, and it would be really cool if you guys could go and support him. AJ, the owner of Bell Raceworks, just released the pre-order for his V2 of his short shifter for the CDO9 transmission. I just so happened to pre-order one, and there need to be 6 more made before they are released into final production. So I'll include a link down to that below if you're interested. In other news, something happened to the Z that I might as well just update you on right now. My sister backed into it. I'm not really all that mad. You know, it can always be replaced. The bumper cover got pierced through, and then the hatch is dented pretty decent amount. So if any of you guys have a black rear bumper or black rear hatch, let me know. I mean, the way I saw it, I'm not too mad about it because I bought the car with a huge dent in the door anyways. So why make a big deal out of it? Don't get me wrong, I'm sad that the Z is in this shape, but the paint is horrible. When I get it painted, maybe that's when I will get a new hatch and rear bumper. It is what it is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Go check out the Bell Raceworks website, and I'll see you next time. Peace.